World's population is displaying an expansive rate of growth, with estimations of the population capping off at 9 to 10 billion people. Although there are many problems that come with a larger population, our conundrum leaves us with the question: how do we feed this many people? For thousands of years, humans have dealt with this problem using genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, whether through selective breeding or direct manipulation of genomes. These literally come in many different shapes and sizes, varying across taxa, and can result in such extreme examples as this Belgian blue, species of cattle that displays double muscling through a gene mutation that farmers have been able to keep around and explore. It can be up to 3,000 pounds, producing hundreds of pounds more meat than this normal bull here at Virginia Tech.
Another means is through the use of genetically engineered organisms, such as much of our corn and soybeans. These crops often allow farmers to double, triple, or even quadruple their yields per acre. One of the major upsides to an engineered crop is the ability to use an increased amount of herbicides and pesticides, due to the increased resistance by the plant, to even further increase crop yield. However, these chemicals are harmful in many ways to the surrounding environment, including watersheds, because they, alongside fertilizer runoff, can cause massive fish kills by increasing contamination in our waterways to harmful amounts. This affects not only recreational fishing, but commercial fishing as well. Despite our ability to produce so much food, much of the world still goes hungry. This is because about 1/3 of the food produced in the world is wasted. Situations like this
Well, I am so full.
are not uncommon.
These ants have the right idea. That food could have been used to feed insects. Insects are much more efficient to farm than livestock, taking much less land and life-sustaining resources to produce. They can then be used as a much healthier and much more economical replacement for protein portions of livestock feeds. We can even use them to feed us. Such a practice could put food that would otherwise be wasted back into the system as a productive input because as of now, 1/5 of the United States landfills are filled up with food waste.
What's for lunch? It's a question we've had to ask every day in human history. Today, progress has changed the landscape, literally and figuratively. And the issues of genetically modified organisms, herbicides and pesticides, food waste in the insect frontier, and the impacts food production and consumption have on our ecosystems are becoming increasingly prevalent in our anthropocentric world. These are the issues we must ponder if we want to have a thriving future.